Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are going to be working on lesson 10.3, which is all about weight. And our essential question is, how can you compare and convert customer units of weight?
Hi there. My friends who live here are giving some of their things to a neighbor. Everyone is getting tired from lifting, but they only have one more trip to make. Only the garden hoe and the chair still need to be carried next door. The chair looks heavy. I wonder how much that garden hoe weighs. Okay, the garden hoe weighs 35 ounces. And the chair weighs 9 pounds. But how does the weight of the garden hoe compare to the weight of the chair? I think we need to see how these units of weight relate to each other to figure this out. So how about it? Shall we get started? Come on, let's go.
Let's look at how you can convert customary units of weight. Hector's school is having a model rocket contest. To be in the contest, each rocket must weigh 3 pounds or less. Without any paint, Hector's rocket weighs 44 ounces. If Hector wants to paint his rocket, what is the weight of the most paint he can use? Use a bar model to write an equation. The bar model is split in 3 since each rocket must weigh 3 pounds or less. First, you'll need to convert pounds to ounces. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So let's place a 16 into each part of the bar model since we have 3 pounds. How should you record this unit conversion as an equation? Begin with the number of pounds, multiply by the number of ounces in 1 pound, and you'll get the weight limit converted to ounces. Now you need to begin with this amount and subtract the weight of Hector's rocket. This equals 4 ounces, so Hector can add up to 4 ounces of paint to his rocket. Let's work on a problem that converts pounds to tons. The rocket boosters for a U.S. space shuttle weigh 1,292,000 pounds each when the shuttle is launched. How many tons does each rocket booster weigh? Use mental math to convert pounds to tons. You know that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Now think about how you can break 2,000 into 2 numbers that are easy to divide mentally. You can break 2,000 into 2 factors, 1,000 and 2. Which of your 2 factors should you use to mentally divide 1,292,000 pounds? You can easily divide by 1,000. You can now divide the quotient by the second factor, 2. This gives you 646. Each rocket booster weighs 646 tons. Let's solve a conversion problem using pounds and ounces. How many ounces are in 35 pounds?
Well, if 1 pound there's 16, you're going to do 35 times 16. And do that as 10. Well, because we have this chart here, I'm going to look at it this way. 5 pounds is 80 ounces. 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 80 is 560.
That's right. By multiplying 35 by 16, you can make this conversion, which is equal to 560 ounces. How about a different unit of measurement? If there are 2,000 pounds in a ton, how many pounds are in 6 tons?
Well, we're going to do 1 times 2,000. Or 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So you're going to do 6 times 2,000, and 6 times 2 is 12. Add 1,000.
Correct. You can make the conversion of tons to pounds by multiplying the number of tons by 2,000. Let's try one more. How many pounds are in 480 ounces?
Well, if there's 16 ounces in a pound, we're going to do 480 divided by 16. Well, we can take off the 0, and how many times does 16 go into 48? Goes into it 3 times, so add the 0 back on, and we have 30.
Excellent. By dividing 480 ounces by 16, you get 30 pounds.
And that is all I have for you today. I would like you to answer one question for me and then rate your level of understanding using FIST 5.